Hi, good morning everyone. Dr. Akira here from SL Aesthetic Clinic, and today we're going to talk about Sofwave therapy. Oh my god, I look so old. Can't let that happen to me. But not to worry, we have effective treatments here that can help prevent and treat some of these conditions. So come with me. So Sofwave employs the advanced SUPERB technology, which stands for Synchronous Ultrasound Parallel Beam Technology. Oh, hang on, I said that correct. Which is an FDA-approved technology. This technology delivers fractionated cylindrical beams of energy into the upper layers of the skin, precisely at a depth of 1.5 millimeters. This process ensures a strong, consistent, even, and safe heating of the skin to effectively stimulate collagen production at this level. As a result, it helps to tighten crepey skin, improving fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, the energy also diffuses downwards, reaching deeper layers of the skin to stimulate collagen productions on deeper and multiple layers as well. This treatment is perfect for those who want to treat fine lines and wrinkles in places where botulinum toxin cannot be injected, or for those who do not wish for injectables. Additionally, because the energy diffuses downwards, it also provides a subtle yet effective lifting effect. So one of the remarkable benefits of Sofwave is its non-invasive nature, allowing it to effectively rebuild collagen, and is often referred to as the lunchtime facelift, where you can get it done within an hour and get back to your day. So Sofwave has also other FDA-approved indications, which are now shown on the screen. Now, let's talk about the safety of Sofwave. Sofwave is very safe. Sofwave mainly targets skin structures at a depth of 1.5 millimeters. The nerves and vessels are located beneath that, and thus will not be affected during your treatment. Additionally, Sofwave also utilizes soft-cool technology, which is an integrated cooling mechanism that monitors the skin temperature in real time. This ensures that the procedure is comfortable and safe at all times. So a common question we get is whether Sofwave is better than Ultherapy. Both machines are great in their own respective fields. So Sofwave is designed to be effective in the superficial or the outermost layers of the skin. It provides uniform, even stimulation of collagen in that layer, while also delivering some energy to the deeper layers as well. Ultherapy, on the other hand, uses micro-focused ultrasound technology with ultrasound visualization, and your doctor can aim and target the deeper muscle or smash layers very well to give a profound lifting effect. It can also target the superficial layers, but it does not have as uniform or as even a collagen stimulation as Sofwave for those upper layers. So if you're after a skin tightening treatment for fine lines and wrinkles, Sofwave is a fantastic option. And if you're looking for deeper lifting effects, Ultherapy might be for you. So that wraps up our discussion on Sofwave. If you are considering skin tightening treatments and you want to know if Sofwave is right for you, feel free to reach us at SL Aesthetic Clinic. So don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips. If you have any questions or thoughts on skin treatments, do drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.